nang sabihin niya sa ating harap-harapan sa plenaryo ng Batasang Pambansa. Mahiya naman kayo.
Thank you. Pong put into the record that we thank the gentleman from Cavite, Mr. President. We have been looking forward to seeing him here in the Senate.
The chair would also like to thank Senator Lacson for his bombastic privilege speech and congratulate him. Congratulations, Senator Lacson.
Aside from congratulating and commending Senator Ping Lacson, indeed commend him because he's under the weather, but he came over to deliver his privilege speech.
Unang-una po sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat kay Senator Lacson sa kanyang presentation at alam ho natin na napakahalaga ng issue na ito na malaman ho natin kung saan napupunta yung pondo sa flood control. Just manifest my support and congratulations to the good gentleman from Cavite. Thank you very much.
Fully support Senator Ping Lacson's call to demand full accountability for the disturbing anomalies in our flood control projects.
And I applaud the sponsors' courage in bringing to light these harrowing and urgent issues of large-scale corruption. Kaisa niyo po ako sa labang ito, Senator Ping. Makakaasa po si Senator Lacson sa pag-usisa sa isyung ito. Salamat po, Senator Ping. Mabuhay po.
Na binunyag ni Senator Ping Lacson, papasalamat tayo sa kanya na pinakita niya to and in very detailed ang kanyang presentation. Ako yung siguro tuloy-tuloy na ang paglalabas ng mga contractors na sangkot dyan. Thank you very much, Senator Ping Lacson, for bringing this to our attention.
Itong naging expose ni Senator Ping Lacson, we laud him for his consistency in
today in support of the privileged speech of our esteemed colleague Senator Ping Lacson. I would like to commend our esteemed colleague despite his being under the weather. And yes, we must investigate, we must prosecute. We congratulate Senator Ping Lacson.
Kasamahan na si Senator Lacson, I'd like to congratulate him for his very thorough investigation of the case. Lord, our distinguished colleague Senator Lacson for this speech, but I'm hoping that he can give a part 2. So once again, maraming salamat kay Senator Lacson.
Senator Ping Lacson in condemning the irregularities in the allocation and implementation of flood control projects. Wala po akong kinalaman sa implementasyon ng kahit na anong proyekto, lalong-lalo na po sa pag-identify at na makikinabang po ang aking pamilya.